channel. Today I am here with you with another unboxing. I have recently purchased this Black & Decker Power Series Extreme Vacuum Cleaner, and now I am going to show you the unboxing video of Black & Decker Power Series Extreme Vacuum Cleaner. So I already opened the box and have seen the items inside it, and now I am going to show you what Black & Decker has given me inside the box. So this is the manual with instructions how to set up, how to insert the battery and how to use. This is the Power Series main head. It is not too much of weight. You can actually weigh this for a while. And if you want to clean the ceilings and all, you will have hand pain for if you hold it for long hours. So this is okay to do the floor cleaning and all. For ceiling cleaning, it will be a bit weight. And this is the floor head that Black & Decker has given us. This is the floor head. This will turn like this. I'll show you after attaching all this. So this is the what we call rod extension. I don't know whether we call it rod or not. This is the pipe. Yeah. So this is the battery that comes with the Black & Decker. This is a lithium max 20V battery. So I already charged the device 2 or 3 times, and it actually takes half day to fully charge. Yeah, it almost takes 5 to 6 hours to fully charge. So yeah, that's it. And along with that, Black & Decker has given us 2 extensions. This is the one, crevice extension, and this is another one. This is 2-in-1 extension. This one has a brush like this, which you can fold and use it like this as well. If you want brush, you can use it like this. Otherwise, you can also use it like this. Yeah. So, and this one is for storage. If you want to store these, you can store them like this. So all of your Black & Decker vacuum cleaner extensions will stay operate. That's it. And this is the charger. Actually, you can charge the device in 2 ways. Actually, 3 ways. I only got to understand 2 ways. So I'll show you what are the 2 ways of charging the device. So yeah, this is how you are going to handle your Black & Decker series. Here you see a blue one and here a black one. You can't attach a blue and blue, so you just have to have a black one with the blue one and just tick. And you are done. Now we are going to attach the motor to this. Here a blue one and a black one. So again insert it until it says a tick. Now we have to insert this battery. Battery goes here. You have to insert this one like this, slide it until it says a tick. That's it. Now this is actually a self-standing one. So it will stand on itself. Now I will show you how to charge this device. Okay. You will have the charger. This one. Here you will find something like this. You just have to slide this charger here, and you can plug it here. You can see the battery icon like this. After it is fully charged, the signs of battery will go off. The indication of battery will go off. That's it. And that's how you can find your device is fully charged. Here is another way you can charge. You actually have to remove the battery from the device, and then what you have to do is insert this charger to this battery and directly plug in this, and the battery will this indicator will show up while it is being charged, and you can remove the battery if it is fully charged. Then you can insert in the device and use it. That's it. Now I actually picked up some dirt from my dustbin to show you how it works. So yeah, let me show you how it works. I'm using it in normal mode. So yeah, let's start.